Natural gas is essential for keeping our homes warm and our appliances running smoothly. But when not carefully managed, it can pose serious risks. In this video, we'll show you how to maintain your home to help use natural gas safely. Did you know that natural gas is actually colorless, odorless, and tasteless? The familiar smell we associate with gas, like rotten eggs, is added by utility companies to help alert us to leaks that could otherwise go unnoticed. While natural gas isn't toxic itself, it can displace oxygen, especially in confined spaces, potentially leading to asphyxiation, which can cause unconsciousness or even death. Plus, it's extremely flammable. Just a small concentration can ignite. If you suspect a natural gas leak in your home, stop what you're doing and get out fast. Go outside, move at least 300 feet away from the building, and call 911 and your gas company. If you suspect a leak, do not use matches, lighters, cigarettes, or vapes. Do not turn on or off electrical switches, appliances, or lights as you are leaving. Do not ring the doorbell. Finally, do not use a phone or electronic device in the building. To help protect your home, always ensure your gas piping and appliances are installed and maintained by certified professionals. It's also important to be aware of carbon monoxide, which is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, just like natural gas. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning include headaches, dizziness, nausea, and shortness of breath. People may mistake these symptoms for the flu. Other symptoms can include confusion and blurred vision. If more than one person in your home experiences these symptoms, leave immediately and call 911. Make sure your appliances are properly vented and maintained. For example, when using gas ranges, the ventilation hood should always be turned on and the burner should be adjusted correctly to ensure complete combustion, which works to prevent high-risk carbon monoxide buildup in the home. Consider installing methane and carbon monoxide detectors. These devices can alert you to leaks before they become dangerous. By following these simple safety measures, you can enjoy the comfort of natural gas while helping keep your home and loved ones safe. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't hesitate to call City Utilities if you have a concern. City Utilities, connecting our community.